Loppist is marketed as an online boutique store offering stylish products, attractive deals, and premium-looking branding that can make the items look difficult to resist. But the real question is, can you actually trust this store? Now, to be fair, not every online boutique store is automatically fake. Some smaller brands are legitimate businesses that simply have not built a large reputation yet. What it does well, the products can look attractive. Professional product photos are designed to create a premium impression. The website may look professional. Modern e-commerce designs can create a polished shopping experience. Where the concerns start appearing. A polished website does not guarantee reliability. This is the biggest issue. Professional-looking online stores are easier than ever to create. Product photos do not guarantee real-world quality. Marketing images may not always match what customers actually receive. Independent reputation may be limited. Less public history can make reliability harder to judge. So, can you trust Loppist? Short answer, proceed carefully. There may not be enough evidence to immediately label it fake, but buyers should avoid assuming boutique branding automatically guarantees quality and reliability. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.